Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be in Avenir and Palm Beach Gardens, which is going to be a massive luxury planned community. So if you want to see more of what they have to offer, stay until the end and remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. So here we have the Riverwalk model. This home is going to give you 2,679 square feet under air, 4 bedrooms upstairs and a den downstairs, 2.5 or 3.5 bathrooms, and the kitchen overlooks the dining area and the living room. And what's unique about this home is that off from the kitchen, you have a built-in work area that's perfect for children doing schoolwork to where you can still have your eyes on them, or as a nook for an open office. And upstairs in the master, you have your choice between having a tub or an oversized walk-in shower, and the secondary bedrooms each have either longer or deeper closet space. And they offer this home design in multiple different communities in Port St. Lucie and Palm Beach. But if you're looking for something more move-in ready or don't want to worry about the entire construction process, they have some homes for sale in their communities. So if you want more information about those or you want to see more of their homes, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the many beautiful homes Palm Beach Gardens in South Florida has to offer. And as always, I'm gonna put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area, wanna get an idea if this would work for you, I'm here to help you with that.